Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Today is Monday. Mm, 11th of November. 11 or 12 ba? Let me see. Oh yeah, 11, Monday. Time check is 4, nako, 4, ano na, mag 4:19, 4:19 na everyone. Oh, madilim pa dito ang kalangitan. Kaya ako ay, kita mo na sa inyo. Ayan lang ako. Yan lang at kailangan. Ang degrees ngayon dito ay, wait, mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo. Basta see you after one bus and 15 minutes walk. Our degrees for today is 10 degrees here in UK. Okay, bye everyone. See you when I see you later. Ayan, good afternoon everyone. Time check. It's 7 minutes before 4. So, ayun, nalate ako ng labas everyone kasi nga nakapag video call sa anak. And hindi ako nakapagpaalam kay nanay kasi tulog siya. Naghihilig pa siya. Everyone, walang tao. Ako lang. Walang katao-tao. 10 minutes daw at stop. So, pag dito sa loob ng train, hindi malamig unless bumukas yung pinto. Pag bumukas ang pinto, ayan, yan. So, malamig. Kaya, dito ako nag-cover. Ito yung pinto. Sana ba yung pinto? Yan pala. Ay, naku, sarado na pala. Sorry. Kaya ako, dito naka-cover. Ayun yung pinto. Yan. So, dito siya magbubukas. Then, naman sa harap, ayun, medyo doon lang lalamig. So, ayan everyone. See you when I see you. I take another train after this. And that's it at the moment. See you later, everyone. Time check. It's 4:30 na. Ayan, everyone. Sakto lang ako. Hindi. Maaga pa. 5 naman kami nag-uumpisa. Kasi maaga. Gayon din. Late din na uwian. Kaya, yan lang, everyone. Dito na ako sa sa David Jane. Dahil malamig. Diba? See you when I see you after these 4 hours here. Ayan, good evening everyone. Walang tao sa restaurant. Merong isang grupo doon sa medyo madilim. Turista ng gabi. Kaya, ayun. Time check everyone. It's 8:20. So, I'm going to Aldgate Station. So, ayun lang everyone. I have still water. Still water. Yeah. Bye at the moment. Bye at the moment. See you later. See you later after 2 train. I'm waiting for the train. They said lot 2 in 4 minutes. And then lot 3 is 8 minutes. So, I'm gonna wait to come. Ayun na nga. That's it. The train is there. Have a look. Yeah. So, platform 2. So, I'm going now. Going down because 4 minutes. Even though it's all stations, there's no semi-fast now at this time because it's too late. It's already 8:25. So, ayan. Doon tayo sa bandaunahan para malapit lang. Ayun lang, everyone. See you when I see you.
All gates where this train terminates. Please take your belongings with you when you leave the train. Or change.
Diba? May pa-ganon.
The destination of this train has now changed. This train
Change
is
daw.
now Metropolitan Line train to Uxbridge. Please change when necessary.
Okay, bye at the moment, everyone. See you after
This is Aldgate.
this train and another
This is
train.
an all-station Metropolitan Line
trains.
train to Uxbridge. The next station is Liverpool Street.
Okay, bye at the moment. Good evening, everyone. Hindi ko napansin. May buwan pala ngayon. Maliit na lang. Maliit pa lang. So, ito na. Malapit na ang bahay. Parang ang sarap. Tinanggal ko yung sombrero ko. O yung itong hood ng aking jacket. Kasi parang ang sarap. At ang lamig dito sa labas. Ayun lang. Malapit na ang bahay. So, it's time to go home. Bye! Bye! Good night, everyone. God bless and I love you. Ayan, everyone.
Some of you know Sister Mavic very well.
I'm watching the farewell video of Sister Mavic to the PFC family. Where I belong at first. And then, ang dinner ko po ay baked macaroni. But, naubos na. Tapos, may mga tira doon, mga leftover, kinain ko na rin. Kasi, ayun. Yun lang, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. It's already, mag 10:45 na. Bye at the moment.